Installation procedure for bulk flow liner model F20PS6143PNX. Take two provided ropes in the package and tie its end to a front and bottom corner anchoring point. Then thread them vertically to the top corner front end anchoring point. Then thread them through the top middle eye latches. And finally, tie the other ends to an anchoring point on the back top corners. Make sure the ropes are pulled strongly to reach sufficient tension. The liner comes with some accessories: the mentioned hanging ropes, the top steel bar hanging belts, the middle steel bar suspending belts, and the bottom steel bar securing belts. Roll out the liner and open it on the floor as shown in the video. Take now one steel bar and insert it through the front end floor sleeves as shown in the video. Drop the steel bar in position on the floor and make sure the liner floor sleeve is properly expanded and laying flat on the floor, as shown here. Next, to avoid overbulging on the back end of the liner, follow the shown procedure of rolling 4 times the sleeve over the steel bar. First turn, second turn, third turn, and fourth turn of the steel bar. Next, start tying the straps of the liner into the installed rope. First, tie the vertical front end straps to the vertical front end rope, and then continue tying the top side liner straps onto the top side ropes. Do this only until the middle point of the liner. Stop at this point without completing the liner top sides hanging and take the stop steel bar belts. Attach them on the back end of the container as shown in the video. Thread the belt through the buckles and pull from its end. Also lay the bulkhead on the floor and detach and deploy the 2 white cords as shown in the video. At this point, just thread the cords through the floor latches and lay them on the floor. Inflate the liner slightly to facilitate the rest of the installation process. Once the steel bar belts are hung, proceed to insert the top steel bar into the top sleeve of the liner bulkhead as shown in the video. Notice that the suspending belts have to be inserted as well simultaneously as the steel bar is introduced inside of the bulkhead sleeve. Once the steel bar and suspending belts are inserted, proceed to raise the steel bar, as shown in the video, only up to 165 centimeters. Measure from the container floor to the bottom edge of the steel bar. Make also a tie knot on the buckle of the top steel bar belts to prevent the steel bar from sliding. Maintaining the 165 centimeters height is of the most importance for the performance of the liner. Now finish hanging the top of the liner sides as shown in the video. Next, pull up the top liner elastic cord around the top door latches as shown in the video. You can complete now the installation process of the floor cores as shown here. The function of these floor cores is to restrain the bottom of the bulkhead to prevent excessive bulging. Next, proceed to insert the rest of the steel bars in the suspending belts as shown in the video. Secure the steel bars to the suspending belts by using plastic tie straps as shown here. Put a plastic tie strap on each steel bar and do it on both suspended belts. Finally, secure the bottom steel bar to the container by inserting these bottom tensioning straps as shown in the video. Do it on both sides of the bottom steel bar. Only once the liner has been inflated and it is ready to be filled, remove the tape from the blue cords and start pulling from them slowly as shown in the video. This procedure will affix the floor of the liner to the container by removing the double-sided adhesive tape from the liner into the container floor. The liner is now ready. Remove the caps from the liner air nozzles. Insert the special inflation valves on both sides. Connect the air hoses with its appropriate air connectors. The airbags are now ready to be deployed during discharge.